Bubbles, and welcome to Bubbles Beauty Blog, but on video. So today, we're going to be talking about blush. Step 1, pick up the blush.
Whoa, cool. You're making a video? Sup, y'all? This is Buttercup, and I rock. Oh, watch me eat the camera. Nom, 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 nom.
Quit it, Buttercup! Since Buttercup took the blush, I thought we could brush our hair. Step 1, pick up a brush. Is that my brush? But you weren't using it. I keep all my things in a specially designated place. Besides, you always break my stuff. I do not. Do too. Do not. Step 2, brush hair gently. What was that? Nothing. Lipstick's nice. Let's do lipstick. Step 1.
Professor says fold your clothes. Why aren't your clothes folded? When are you gonna fold your clothes?
Buttercup, can't you see I'm doing a beauty video? Dumbo laundry, dumbo Buttercup.
Buttercool!
Nobody thinks you're cool! Where's my lipstick? Professor! Step 1. Oh, there it is.
Bam! Check out the firepower.
Get out, Buttercup!
But the camera loves me.
Buttercup, get back here! Buttercup!
Headstand!
Beep. You guys are a bunch of poopy pants! Guys! Wiggity wiggity what? Step 1. Lay on couch. We're back to Bubbles Beauty Blog. Now let's see the final results.
Why, thank you, Bubbles. I'm ready for the runway. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Did I say that right?
Perfect.
Oh, that was very helpful.